Okay. Let's make the pancakes. I'm gonna make small pancakes for Leila. And she's gonna love it because it has chocolate chips. And I think the almond flour make nice flavor in the pancakes. Okay. Let me turn on the light because you can see better. So I'm gonna wait to flip it, and I can't wait to show you the result of the 3 different breakfasts. I'm so excited to show you the results of this breakfast. So here we have the first one we made. They are the egg muffins. You can see the vegetables and they look so good. Then we have here the roti with spinach and cheese inside. And here we have the pancakes with almond flour and chocolate chips. Everything smells delicious. They look amazing and I can't wait to eat this. You want to try, Leila?
Yeah.
What do you want? You want this or this? You want this?
Yeah.
Yes? Está caliente un poco, ¿verdad? You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now let's try this one. Yeah. You need water?
Yeah.
Yep. Oh, need some water. So now you can try this one. Now you want to try this too?
Yeah.
You like this?
Yeah.
Yeah? Let's try this, but I have to put it like this. Okay? So you can try. You like it? Yes? You want more?
Yeah.
Yeah, she likes more. She wants more. Good. So this is approved for Leila, right, Leila? Yeah. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Please send us pictures if you make these recipes, and send kisses to your friends, Leila.
Caballo.
Caballo.
Sí, caballo.
Bueno, send a kiss to the caballo, ¿ven? Un besito para tus amigos. ¡Mua!
Caballo.
Say bye bye, amigos.
Bye bye. Single bye.
Bye bye. ¡Mua! See you later.